Hello everyone, this is Stick. In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset if you own the Galaxy A35. So in case if you have a password pattern and you get stuck with this password and you can't unlock the screen anymore, so the hard reset will be very useful. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. A quick disclaimer before we start: doing factory reset or hard reset will lead to lose all the information. After you finish the hard reset, you are required to use the same Gmail account and the same password in order not to get locked with the Google bypass. Now the steps should be so easy. Just follow every single step I'm doing right now. Just do it with me and you should be able to do it. First, we need to press two keys: volume down, power key together. Around 7 seconds. After 7 seconds, I have to release both fingers and immediately press the power key and the volume up. Let's go ahead and do it together. So volume down, power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Immediately remove on both. Now I'm on the volume up and power key. Now once I see Samsung logo appears, I took off my finger from the power. I'm holding only on the volume up, and that should take us to this menu. You might need to practice multiple times. Sometimes it doesn't work. Go ahead and do it again. Watch the video multiple times. You should be able to do it. Now once we go to the recovery menu here, we're gonna get a bunch of options like reboot system. Now we need to navigate through the volume down control and go to wipe data factory reset. It should be this option. Now to select, you have to press the power key. Now we're gonna get confirmation message that you're gonna lose all your data. If you're sure you want to do it, go ahead and press on the power key and wait a few seconds. Now the phone already formatted. Now you just need to go to the first option, reboot system. Now press the power key. And now you have to give it up to 5 minutes to complete the factory reset. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on Stick. Thank you so much everyone for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.